Hey YouTube, welcome back to Riggin Woods. Today we are in Boulder, Colorado. We are at Switzerland Trail. It's a pretty popular trail in this area. We're going to definitely encounter some snow. We got some beautiful scenery. Today's a little bit cloudy in Colorado. It's going to be about 60 degrees, so we're going to try to catch it before the rain actually happens, but it's going to be a great time, so stick with us for a couple minutes and see what Switzerland Trail is all about.
Switzerland Trail is a 4x4 trail located in the foothills of Boulder, Colorado. The trail is an old railroad grade that zigzags across the mountains of Boulder County. By no means is this a very difficult trail, so it is very busy during the weekend. Let's go ahead and see what this trail has lined up for us. The narrow gauge railroad transported people, supplies, and ores between the city of Boulder and the county's nearby mining communities, including Gold Hill, Ward, Cardinal, Netherland, and Eldora from 1883 to 1919. The railroads have long been since removed, but many people enjoy driving and riding on this trail to date. On this trail, because it's rated as an easy to moderate trail depending on the weather, I did not choose to air down. If there were snow, or Switzerland had more rock faces, I likely would have. But given the conditions of the trail, it was not necessary to do it this time around. As mining collapsed, the trains focused on bringing tourists up for the great views and the beautiful meadows. The name Switzerland Trail comes from the marketing folks back in the mining days for trips for tourists. But as cars became more widespread, mining dwindled, and expenses were so high, it was abandoned in 1919, and now it's what you see. During spring, the snow melt and water runoff can lead to some larger puddles of standing water. I wanted to show the very bottom of this valley for this reason. As I previously said, this is a very popular trail, not only for Jeeps, but hikers, bikers, and dirt bikes, so be sure to be on the lookout. As we wrap up this trail, you can see smiles all around. I wanted to capture the water runoff for some relaxing sounds for you all to enjoy and hopefully put a smile on your face as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and until next time, we will see you out there on the trail. Please subscribe, comment, like this video, and I'd be extremely grateful. Thanks everybody.